Assalamu alaikum developers, welcome to my YouTube channel Developers Tech. Myself Osama Ahmed. Today I will tell you how to fix this error with the help of Chat GPT. So let's start. Before solving this error, I will show you the code, how it works and how it will display an output. So here is a user controller where I create a function with the name of show, and inside this function I create a user list with multiple names, and after that I print this users with the help of echo command. But unfortunately it showing me error like this. So let's see how can we solve it. So what we have to do, just copy this code and go to the Chat GPT and paste here. After that write solve the error of this code. So it create an error, let me refresh it. Okay, paste it again and write solve the error of this code. So here you can see it try to solve this error and also telling me where is error creating. So you can see I have a list of users with the size of 5, but I am displaying in loop with the size of 7. So that's why it creating an error. You can see it showing it also showing me this text, and it also provide me a code without any error. So what I will do, I just copy this code and go to my Laravel code and replace it with my previous code. So I will remove it and paste a new code. Now let's see how it could work. Go to the Google Chrome and open this tab and refresh this page. So now you can see the error is solved. So by using this method you can solve the any type of Laravel error. For watching more videos like this, you can subscribe and like my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.